I'm making banana bread, but I'm gonna make them into little cupcakes today. So I'm using the air fryer, it's gonna be epic. First we've got almond meal, and then we're gonna put in some mashed banana, a little bit of honey, then we've got some baking powder. Then I'm gonna put our berries. I'm gonna use blueberries, but you can use raspberries or strawberries or even figs or something like that. And I'm just gonna use 1 egg, and then we're gonna mix. So mixture is looking good. We're gonna spoon it now into the air fryer. We've got little silicone cups in there. That is a perfect thing to put in there, or you can actually use the insert from the air fryer that has those cupcake holders, but we're gonna use silicone. All right, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, they worked out so well. Let's pick up one. How good is that? I think this is probably my favorite air fry recipe so far. This is so delicious. Grab the recipe, you guys are gonna love it.